n8n versus CrewAI, which is better? Are you trying to choose between n8n and CrewAI for your next automation project? So in this video, we're comparing n8n with CrewAI, which are two powerful tools designed for completely different kinds of automation. So whether you want simple workflows or advanced AI-driven collaboration, this video will help you decide which tool fits your needs best. So let's get right into it. n8n is a low-code workflow automation platform that comes with a drag-and-drop interface and supports over 800 integrations. It's great for automating business processes like syncing CRM data, handling API calls, or scheduling tasks without needing to write a single line of code. CrewAI, on the other hand, is a Python-based AI agent framework. It's built for multi-agent orchestration, meaning it allows multiple AI agents to collaborate, take on different roles, and complete complex or dynamic tasks together. So the real question is, do you want rule-based workflows or do you need agentic AI systems that can think, delegate, and decide? So now let's break the features down of n8n and CrewAI one by one. First is ease of use. So n8n is a beginner-friendly. You build flows visually, perfect for non-developers or small business teams. CrewAI is code-driven. You'll need Python knowledge and some comfort with programming logic. Next, let's talk about automation scope. n8n handles linear workflows, think cron jobs, webhook triggers, email automation, or API pipelines. CrewAI thrives in complex workflows where multiple AI agents need to take on different tasks and collaborate toward a goal. AI and multi-agent support. n8n supports AI in a limited way, usually through custom scripting or connecting to external APIs like OpenAI. CrewAI is built for AI, multi-agent logic, role assignment, goal settings. It's all core to its framework. Next, let's talk about the integrations and tooling. So n8n has extensive built-in integrations, which has robust webhook handling, and it is great for error management out of the box. CrewAI has fewer built-in connectors, but it's extremely flexible if you're comfortable extending it with Python. Next, let's talk about target audience. n8n is ideal for non-technical users and teams that want fast, reliable business automation. CrewAI is for developers and AI researchers who want to design multi-agent systems that can learn, adapt, and work together. Some feedbacks from the community of n8n says that n8n handles all the different protocols, so in many ways, your focus is on the task, not the bindings. This means with n8n, you're not stuck writing scripts just to connect services. It's about what you want to automate, not how to integrate. And the CrewAI has the insights such as agentic frameworks like CrewAI require more customization, but offer autonomous decision making. So this is where CrewAI shines. If you need agents to think and act on their own, not just follow a static flow. So when should you choose n8n? So you can use n8n if you're building repeatable, rules-based workflows. You want to connect tools like CRMs, email platforms, Google Sheets, and APIs, or you value visual design and minimal setup time. You can choose CrewAI if you need AI-powered agents to handle drivers' tasks like research, writing, decision-making, or analysis, or you're building a customizable autonomous system with different roles and goals. Or whether you're comfortable coding in Python and want deeper control over agent behavior. So you can use both together. You can use n8n to handle the front-end triggers. For example, when a form is submitted, a webhook fires or a file is uploaded, and then send the data to CrewAI through an HTTP request. So this lets you combine predictable automation with intelligent decision-making. So to wrap things up, n8n is perfect for business and non-technical teams who want easy, no-code workflows with a huge library of integrations. CrewAI is built for developers and researchers looking to create smart, collaborative AI agents with deep logic and autonomy. So what do you need? Tell us in the comments, are you team n8n or team CrewAI? So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.